Guys, I haven't even showed you the shirt we're wearing today. Look at it.
Rich.
F80 shirt's coming out next Friday, the 22nd, guys.
Yeah, the new brand. I'm here. Nico. Are you sick? No.
What's up, guys? You watching another video? What, bro?
We finally made it out to Beamer Plug Meet.
We made it to Beamer Plug. Today, Beamer Plug is throwing a meet, and me and Kevin were like the special guests. Even though we're always here, bro. We're not really a special guest here. Anyways, we made it to Beamer Plug. You guys all know Beamer Plug. We get all the carbon fiber parts on all my cars, the F80, the other F80, my G80. Everything is from Beamer Plug.
I even bought something from Beamer Plug for you for your Christmas.
She bought me meerkaps from Beamer Plug for Christmas last year. You guys remember that? I didn't even get to put them on the car. I crashed the car after.
You did put them on, didn't you?
No, they're still in the box. I didn't even swap them over yet.
What?
That's rude.
I didn't know that.
Hey, let me have them.
Anyways, Beamer Plug threw this event today. We're super early. Everyone should be getting here very soon though, and there's gonna be a lot of BMWs, I'm sure. But yeah, look, right now we got Kevin's M4, we got my G80, and we got a bunch of other M4s. Mine's the only G80 right now. I feel like Kevin should switch me spots. Because all the M4s are over here, the F80s. I was gonna bring both cars too, by the way, but we didn't. Josephine was gonna drive the F80, but...
Say it in the comments. Let Josephine drive. Let Josephine drive.
I was gonna let her drive it. It's not even that. If you guys remember, we went to the drift track, and my boy Ron redlined the heck out of the F80, and the J-pipe broke. I wonder if they have any in stock, because I need to buy a new J-pipe, I think, and new charge pipes. Did you see that?
Yes.
Bro, he redlined the heck out of it. I don't know. The crane cut might be on his last life right now. Not gonna lie.
I just scared.
That's why I didn't bring the F80, because we would have to limp it here in limp mode. Damn, this is sick. Who's that? BBSs? RS2s? I always wanted to build these wheels on my E92s, but I never did it.
Sparkly.
Boy, Jake's M4. You guys have seen this car before, but new wheels, Apexes, all chromed out. Another M4, another M4. They're all M4s. It's not even M80s. It's all M4s. This is hard. I love that wheel setup. Look at all the inventory they have, bro. There's so many lips and spoilers everywhere. Look how many lips and spoilers there are.
Yeah.
There's a lot. Then this is Kevin's car, the owner of Beamer Plug. His car is insane. He obviously has all the carbon fiber parts you could possibly get. Even the hood that I need to get. I want this hood so bad. I should just convince him to sell it to me. Got the orange buckets all over Kevin. I don't know why Kevin hasn't got one yet with the orange buckets. And look who pulled up. What's up, G?
Chilling.
You made it.
Yeah. Vin Diesel made it.
Vin Diesel.
What's up, G?
Damn, that shit's full carbon. It's a whole bumper. Super or BMW? Damn, look at this one. Wide body one. Shit white as hell. Look at the back. Mark pulled up?
Mark.
Damn. Look at us pulled up. Freaking SV.
Bruh.
That is insane. It's the perfect color too.
Wow, man.
Must be freaking nice. Bro, imagine we all had one of those areas.
We will.
SV or SVJ, what would you like? What would you rather have?
It's more raw.
For real? That color is fire.
You're gonna have it one day.
Hopefully. I need one, guys. One day. Ridiculous, bro.
Get out of this car, bro.
You would rev it right now?
Everywhere.
You don't care? What if they tell you to stop revving?
I'm not gonna stop revving.
We're about the SV to a BMW Meet. Look what just pulled up. Freaking R8. And Kevin's private jet. What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Chilling? This shit is insane. Yeah?
The wing.
I know, the wing is fire. I feel like the R8s need a wing.
It's the next 10 months. Next month.
Hopefully, bro. Hopefully very soon, guys.
It's rich.
I just have to find the right one.
Yes.
I'm ready, bro.
Yeah.
I'm literally ready to get it. I need to find one. Bro, look at the M2. I really want one, guys. It's just crazy how much crap I would talk about them before, huh? I just had to see one modded. That's it, you know? See one modded, drive one. Now I want one. This one got BBSs on it. I saw this F80 the other day, I think. Sand black. It's like Mark's twin. Literally twinning, bro. This parking lot's pretty small. I don't know how we're gonna fit everybody. Damn, that color's sick. What's up, bro? I've never seen that color. Josh Laurent.
FindingNick.
You made it. Look,
I know.
I got food.
You eating good. Man.
See, Josh is a Beamer guy now.
Okay. I got it from you.
I know. You guys remember we met up with Josh the other day and he had this G80 that he was driving.
It's clean?
He bought a J80.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, he just bought it.
Rich.
He is rich.
Rich.
Richest YouTuber I know. Damn, look at this thing that pulled up. What's up, bro? That shit was crazy. Yeah, you can smell it on.
Yeah.
Bro, how is he driving this car in Irvine, bro? That's all I want.
OC in general.
Yeah, an OC, dude. I would not drive that with no hood. He's asking to get pulled over at State Revs. Yeah. Bro, this is sick. It used to be Laguna Seca Blue. This is exactly what I want to get.
That's exactly what he wants to get.
Z06 too.
You know how many times you've heard that?
I know.
You want every car.
Nah, there's only a few cars that I really want. Oh, I want that too.
That's fire. Wow.
Nah, I really want this though. That shit's so nice. This might be the...
It has to be red.
Yeah, red. It's fire. It's cool to see other cars than BMWs too. Vets, the Z, the Porsche. Where's the wrap at?
Took it off. It's your turn now.
Wait,
It used to be Laguna Seca Blue.
Yeah, it used to be Rap Laguna.
Boy, Ferris pulled up in the 720. You guys seen this one the other day too in the vlog. Full carbon, everything. I really want one, but I don't know. I'm gonna break it. I already know. If I get one, for sure, I'm gonna break it. You guys heard him. He told me that engines are like 80K, transmissions like 50K. Bro, I don't want to deal with all that.
He went all the way over there and came back?
David? Yeah, David pulled up to my house super early. 9 a.m., washed my car, washed both cars and his car.
Too, yeah.
And then he was gonna go all the way home, wash his car, then come to the meet.
Oh my.
We'll see if David shows up. This thing is sick though, huh?
Yeah, this is very nice. Brand new LCI 2025 Toronto Red X5M competition package with HRE wheels.
This one knows everything, bro.
160,000 MSRP.
Yeah, they're expensive. Rich. 4 on some E88s. Let me get these, bro. There's like E92, E46, both on white tees. That shit is slammed. Ridiculous, bro. 2 turbos sticking out the hood. Like I said, I don't know how he's driving this shit in Orange County, bro. My boy's asking to get pulled over. Full on slicks. We're supposed to film a video. We might do it soon. I think it'll be sick to get it right in the 350Z. 370 over here. All over Hugo.
Where's he at?
He's right here, look. I know, where is Hugo at, bro? Oh, cops are showing up. You're in trouble.
We're chilling, bro. They're in our block.
Shama.
Shama.
You put Christmas lights, bro? No way. I need to do this again. This guy took his time for sure. Look how it's all like perfectly organized on the hood. On the hood, the fenders, the door. Damn, this for sure took a lot of time. I want to do it again. It just takes so much time to do. This interior is crazy. Even did the roof. I want to do it again, guys. We'll see. I might do it again. If I do, I want to go to this extent because this thing probably looks insane at night. I want to see it lit up. CS. G80 CS. This is a big baller car, bro. Frozen white too. I would love to have the G80 CS version, guys. It'll be so sick. M5. There's no way. There's a freaking Cybertruck police car, bro. I'm down. Oh, damn, that's cool. It's literally the actual truck. What's up, bro? How's it going? Nice to meet you, bro. That's crazy. It's a legit police car, guys. Like, city of Irvine. Imagine getting pulled over by this. You think I can outrun it? They got police lights all over it. How would you even know it's a real cop? Like, have you seen this thing pulling you over from the front? I would think it's just someone like that wrapped it to make it look like it, but it's a legit cop car. Damn, some sick ass F80s pulled up. That spec is fire. I've seen this one before, all color match. He has Marina Blue. Hugo's been debating on doing that. The color match lip, side skirts, diffuser, and he got the cage. This is legit me and Hugo's car combined. What do you guys think about all the color match though? The diffuser, the side skirts, all the stuff that used to be carbon is, he has Marina Blue. Look who pulled up. Charles in E36. That shit is so loud. Look at the whole crowd. All over you. No. I knew he was gonna do it. Hey, look at that turbo. Sheesh. With the F80 seats. The C36 is so fire. Guys, I haven't even showed you the shirt we're wearing today. Look at it.
Rich.
Period.
F80 shirt is coming out next Friday, the 22nd, guys.
Yeah, the new brand. Nico. Are you sick? No.
Gotta make sure I don't want to get sick.
He's always sick.
Bro, I'm sick.
How are you? I'm hella sick. Just kidding. If you guys like the merch, it's coming out on the 22nd. Mark your calendars. I love what's under the merch. The six pack? Oh my god, bro, that shit sounds insane. We need one, Mark. How do we get one? We'll go halves. I still don't think we can afford it. We need Kevin, Ares, we need everyone to go halves. We could all take it for one day of the week. Bro, you can see the flames in the daytime, bro. That's insane. Honestly, I feel like the SB is cooler than the SVJ, guys. You guys know I love SVJs, but I feel like the SB is more raw. Like the F80 and the G80, that's like the same comparison, I feel like. But the older one's a little better. F80 just like a race car. I feel like that's what this is. This meet is so packed. I've been trying my best to film, but there's just so much going on.
I know.
Bro,
They
it's
all
packed.
go crazy. This is rocking.
Dude, Josh is part of the BMW squad.
I know. I'm a G80 person now.
It's funny seeing Josh here, huh? 92, he was revving it, but I missed it. Damn, all the satin black cars. Everyone has satin black. The white buckets in there too. All over Hugo, bro. Nico brought the GTR. Jimmy?
Oh shit.
What car did you bring?
The white one.
You have too many.
The white one.
The white F80. Oh my, Kevin.
Stop, man.
Salvage title.
Oh shit, it's hot. Oh my god, and that's good. It's hot there.
There's no way we're signing a BMW right now. Damn. No way Anthony pulled up.
You're good there.
Hey, just park like over there or something, like out here. What up? Hi. Damn. Yeah, just stay right there. You just air it out right there. I'll leave it. But I don't know how you're gonna get out though. Oh, this is hectic, guys. There's so many people here. And look at, he turned the lights on. Shit looks insane. Bro, I'm telling you, it looks so sick on the roof and everything. I have to do it. Like I said, it takes so long to do, and it is a little scary. It might mess up the paint or the wrap, but it's kind of worth it, huh? There goes Charles, though. Charles is out. Later. Don't get pulled over. Damn.
We have the fucking Christmas lights right here, so
But it's just sick, huh?
for Santa Claus to come to the house and leave that.
That crazy Lambo. No way. Big old turbo. 2 JZ, actually. That thing's insane. I'm pretty sure it's like the first 2JZ Lambo in the world. I see it all the time, but it's crazy every time too. Look who made it! Finally! No way, bro. Look at these guys. Another one, give me another one. They're gonna be He just got here, bro. Like, this is after the meet. I tried to film as best as I could. There's a lot of people. I met a lot of people. A lot of people are wearing the merch. So shout out to you guys. Thank you. New merch shop coming out next Friday. Now it's kind of like the little after party. All the close homies.
Everybody and their mama's here. Right now we're just kicking it, living life, having fun. It's nice to have all the boys around. Big props to Nick. Proud of everything he's done, but keep on going.
Bro, my twin. Nah, this is the real one, bro. I'm the fake one, bro. I'm the fake one, bro. How'd you find this?
I told you, I got the hookup, bro.
Bro, you got a paint mint green M4, guys. He used to have a red one, which the red one was fire. And then he got a mint green one now. If you guys want to check out his channel, we're literally twins. The colors are so close too. Anyways, the meet's kind of coming to an end. A lot of the homies, I think we're just gonna go have some food now. That was a really sick turnout though. Shout out to everyone who came through. The turnout was insane. There was so many people here. Like I said, I met so many people, and so many people were wearing the merch too, which is so sick. It's always the coolest feeling seeing my merch in person. Literally gets shipped out from my living room, and then now you guys are wearing it. It's the coolest feeling, bro. Anyways, that was a good turnout. Thanks for showing love to Beamer Plug. That was really sick. I think now we're gonna grab some food. I don't even think I filmed much at the meet, but I was just trying to enjoy it, see what's up to everybody. And it's cold. I'm ready to go home.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.